Well, let me talk a little bit about the paralegal program and how it works and how you get into it. The paralegal program has 12 law classes. They're actually the same basic law classes as you take as a student of law or going to law school. For example, in the first year you have contracts, you have torts, you have property in a law school, and here in our program, similar types of classes. Of course, they're not the same depth as in law school, but they do cover some of the same cases and materials. What is different, though, as a paralegal, in addition to studying the law, you also study the forms, because part of what you're going to be doing is the right-hand person in a law firm to prepare the documents to submit to other attorneys, to the courts, and obviously when you serve parties and defend parties, then you're going to be involved with a lot of paperwork. Once a student then starts enrolling in the program, they'll take one class after the other. Usually, because it's 12 classes and each class runs a semester in length, which is roughly 4 months. You know, you have the spring semester and the fall semester. And in those periods of time, the 2 semesters, you can take 2 to 3 or sometimes 4 classes. So you can graduate with the 12 law classes within approximately 3 semesters or maybe a year, year and a half. The cost of the program is $46 a unit. So if you multiply 3 times, let's say, about $50, $150 a class, times 12, so a little bit in excess of $1,500. The textbooks are $300 or $400 or $500. We try to use a lot of materials on the internet to economize. One class, we use one textbook for 4 classes, and so that helps the student. And then once the student starts, they take the one class after the other, and then they complete their 12 classes. When they complete the 12 classes, then they are thereby certified as a paralegal under California law. Business and Professions Code 6400 and 6450 requires that a paralegal obtain education in a community college with 12 law classes. Well, in our case, we actually have 36 or 12 law classes. And under state law, there's a requirement of 21 semester units. So we actually exceed the state requirement by 15 units. When a student then finishes their paralegal program, we have a very nice graduation ceremony, which occurs in May, in which they receive certificates of acknowledgement from both the City of Los Angeles and also from the state of California, the state legislature. And then we help students with resumes, and we help them with job interviews. Sometimes we'll take a video, show them their body language, how they can improve with their interview tactics, and then we help them go ahead and get paralegal jobs.